The treason case against Tanzanian opposition leader Tundu Lissu has been adjourned to June 16th. During the hearing, Principal Magistrate Godfrey Mhini ordered that the prosecution be to provide an update on the status of investigations and clarify whether they intend to formally prosecute the CHADEMA leader, who has been held in prison for nearly 2 months now. The case has drawn widespread attention beyond Tanzania, with the Lissu's lawyers appealing to the United Nations to declare his detention arbitrary. Ayub Abdikadir has more.
For the second time in 3 weeks, Lissu appeared in person before Kisutu resident magistrate in Dar es Salaam, dogged yet defiant throughout the open court proceedings. His appearance following the court's reversal of an earlier decision that had allowed his treason case to be heard via video conference. And then came the much-anticipated prayers by his defense team, prompting Principal Magistrate Godfrey Mhini to direct the prosecution to provide an update on the status of investigations and clarify whether the state intends to formally prosecute Lissu. Mhini, citing Lissu's 2-month detention at Ukonga Maximum Prison, noted that the delay in investigations borders on a violation of his constitutional right to be considered for bail or bond.
Mahakama inaendelea kutoa amri kwa jamhuri kuendelea kutoa taarifa au status ya hatua za upelelezi katika shauri hili, kwani ni wazi na ni ukweli usiopingika kwamba upelelezi unapochukua muda mrefu, haki ya mshtakiwa pia, the justice delayed is justice denied.
In what could mark the end of Lissu's long-standing push for electoral reforms, the court equated his stance, along with the parallel chants from his supporters, to contempt of court.
Niseme kwamba hakimu alipokwisha fika mahakamani akakaa, mahakama ilikuwa imekamilika bila kujali upande wote haupo au upo. Kwa hivyo nihitimishe kwa kusema kwamba maneno ambayo yamesemwa na mshtakiwa yalikuwa sio sahihi.
The high-stakes case against the CHADEMA national chairperson was broadcasted live for members of the public. His trial and disqualification of his party from October's political contest against ruling Chama cha Mapinduzi has drawn sharp criticism, with prominent Kenyans and activists flocking to Dar es Salaam in solidarity. However, their efforts were largely in vain. Only former Chief Justice David Maraga was granted access to observe the final court proceedings. An expanded battalion of activists were detained at Mwalimu Julius Nyerere International Airport before they were deported back, drawing the attention of the United States, which through its African Bureau called for immediate investigation into the detention of Kenyan activist Boniface Mwangi and his Ugandan counterpart Agatha Atuhaire. His lawyers have appealed to the United Nations, urging it to declare his detention arbitrary, arguing that his nearly 2-month imprisonment constitutes a clear violation of his rights. Ayub Abdikadir, Citizen TV.